Now, it's wonderful. Ayaw nating i-invalidate ang nararamdaman natin. Maganda rin naman may feelings tayo. Kasi yan ang nagbibigay ng kulay sa iyong kaluluwa. Yan ang nagbibigay ng personality mo. Yung ating, di ba, mahirap din naman yung kausap mo, walang feelings. Lalo kung walang feelings sa'yo, mahirap talaga yan. Oo, kasi yung feelings natin, it makes us human. Kaya ka natatawa, kaya ka umiiyak, kaya ka nagmamahal, kaya ka minamahal. Feelings lahat yan. It's wonderful to have feelings until that feelings have you. Until that feelings control your decisions. Am I preaching to somebody? Sometimes we consider what we feel, yung guts natin, pero at the end of the day, it's the Holy Spirit that will govern our decisions. Do you agree, mga kapatid? Kaya tinuturo ko sa mga single people, wag na wag, at sa mga adult na rin, wag na wag tayo magdidesisyon ng galit tayo, we feel unappreciated, wag na wag kang papasok sa relationship kasi you feel ugly. And that man will make you feel like a natural woman. No,